In this video, I will show you how to place a gift card order on Sam's Club. Simply open up Chrome. In the search bar, simply search for Sam's Club gift card. Then click on the URL. Here you can see multiple gift card options. You can simply view or choose any one that you like. Then click on Add to Cart. After that, it will be added to your cart. In the top right corner, you can see this cart menu. Click on it. From here, you can make any changes. You can increase the number of cards, etc. After that, simply click on checkout. Now sign in to your account using your email, password, etc. And then put in your email and then use your credit or debit card account. Then simply click on checkout. After that, your gift card order placement has been done. Then you will get your physical card delivered in 4 to 10 business days, and that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.